We've found 20 really cool devices that will make your summer great. We have everything from phones that can capture all your sunny memories to smart air conditioners that will keep you really cool. Keep watching until the end of this video to see the ultimate summer gadget guide. Number 20. Samsung Galaxy S23, the future of smartphones. Get ready for the future with the Samsung Galaxy S23. This cool Android phone is ready to use and packed with the latest features. With a powerful 50-megapixel camera that works in the dark, this beauty takes impressive photos no matter the time of day. With a battery that keeps going and a screen that adapts to you, you're in for a treat. It's also super speedy, perfect for games and juggling tasks with plenty of room for everything. Number 19. Apple Watch Ultra, your best partner. Step into the great outdoors with the trusty and trendy Apple Watch Ultra. Made just for tough sports buffs and nature lovers, this smartwatch is wrapped in sturdy titanium and comes with special bands for every activity. With a battery that lasts up to 36 hours, you'll have health and safety features ready when needed. Number 18. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Embrace the adventure. This tough waterproof camera is made to grab top-notch videos and photos, so you never lose a memory. With 5K video and a 20-megapixel photo sensor, you'll take pro-level shots and catch the smallest details. It's got a handy front screen and a bigger back touchscreen for easy picture taking and control. You can even use it as a webcam or to live stream in clear 1080p resolution. Number 17. Black & Decker 10,000 BTU, your cool companion. Outsmart the heat with the sleek and stylish Black & Decker portable air conditioner. It is designed for spaces up to 450 square feet and has a remote control for ease of use. Offering a 3-in-1 function, it is an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan. Features include a slide-out washable filter, auto water evaporation, and a 24-hour timer for personalized cooling. Number 16. Slushie Maker Cup, your portable ice cream factory. Stay cool with the Slushie Maker Cup. This magical quick freeze cup lets you create slushies, milkshakes, smoothies, and more within minutes. With double layers and built-in freezing liquid, it cools your drinks rapidly. Just freeze the cup, pour in your favorite drink, and squeeze to create a delightful slushie. Number 15. Sony LinkBuds S, your mobile sound maestro. Step into the world of sound with the Sony LinkBuds S. These truly wireless earbud headphones are packed with smart features and deliver outstanding sound quality. With Alexa built in, control your music, manage smart home devices, and get directions with simple voice commands. The headphones auto-adjust sound settings based on your activity, ensuring an optimal listening experience. Number 14. Gemini Sound SOSP 8BLK, your portable sound system. Jazz up your backyard bashes with the Gemini Sound SOSP 8BLK Sound Splash. This bad boy's a traveling noisemaker, cranking out 420 watts of make the neighbors call the cops power. It spits out ear candy using Bluetooth with no strings attached. With 2 8-inch woofers and 3 1-inch tweeters, it can also hit all the high and low notes. It's like an orchestra in a box. Number 13. Razo D-Action 360 On-Road Guardian. Secure peace of mind on the road with the Razo D-Action 360-degree dashcam DC4000RA, offering 3-channel recording for a complete 360-degree view around your vehicle. Blind spots are a thing of the past. With multiple cameras, it covers the exterior and interior, leaving no unchecked corner. It has license plate recognition, HDR and WDR functionality, and a built-in G-sensor for instant accident recording. Playback footage easily on a 2.7-inch LCD and transfer files effortlessly using the included 32GB microSD card. Number 12. Kodak PixPro 360-degree adventures. Create immersive content with the Kodak PixPro Orbit 360 4K. This 360-degree VR camera adventure pack lets you capture stunning visuals and photos. It covers all angles, equipped with dual 20-megapixel CMOS sensors and 3 shooting modes. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, upload your 360-degree content directly to social platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Packaged with multiple accessories, the PixPro Orbit 360 4K lets you embark on your VR adventures in style. Number 11. EarthPack Waterproof Backpack, your adventure ally. Gear up for your outdoor pursuits with the EarthPack Waterproof Backpack, available in 35 liters, 55 liters, and 85 liter sizes. It provides watertight protection for your belongings. The backpack's roll-top closure and reinforced strip shield your items from water. It has multiple pockets for added storage and an ergonomic design for comfortable carrying. Its D-rings, mole system, and heavy-duty waist belt effortlessly support heavy loads. Number 10. Baseus Power Bank, your mobile charging solution. Stay connected on the move with the Baseus Power Bank. This portable powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity and a 65-watt high-power output, supporting fast charging for your devices. Its 65-watt PD USB-C port and two 30-watt QC USB-A ports can recharge multiple devices simultaneously. Number 9. JBL Boombox 2. Repose like a pro. Unwind with style wherever you are. This portable reclining camp chair by Picnic Time is like your personal relaxation station. It offers perfect support for those stargazing nights or your sunny beach days. With adjustable reclining options and a plush padded seat, it's akin to carrying your recliner wherever you go. Number 8. Niso Tents Grande Beach Tent. Sizzle your way to perfection. Ignite your culinary adventures with a sizzle. The T-Chef Korean barbecue grill pan is like your personal master chef. It can turn a casual family dinner into a delightful barbecue fest. Its unique swirled channel design and Teflon coating guarantee an evenly cooked meal and easy cleanup. Plus, it's designed for maximum oil drainage, ensuring healthier and more delicious meals. Just remember, the mouth-watering barbecue flavors aren't included, but with this pan, you'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Number 7. Inflatable Swimming Pool. Splashing fun for everyone. Make a splash anytime, anywhere. The Ifu Baby Inflatable Swimming Pool is your personal aquatic playground. It provides ample space for kids and adults to enjoy a refreshing dip or a fun pool party. Easy to inflate and deflate, it's your ticket to unforgettable family fun. Just note the water and laughter aren't included, but with this pool, you'll be making waves of joy in no time. Number 6. Numvidic X300, a cinema under the stars. Movie nights reimagined. The Numvidic X300 outdoor portable projector is your private cinema, transforming your backyard into an enchanting movie theater. It provides high-quality visuals and sound, ensuring you'll lose yourself in the magic of the movies. Its retro-style design adds a touch of nostalgia while you enjoy the latest flicks. Just remember the popcorn isn't included, but with this projector, every night will be a blockbuster night. Number 5. SUScell Solar Power Bank. Sun power in your pocket. Harness the power of the sun on the go. The SUScell Solar Power Bank is your solar station, ensuring your devices stay charged no matter where you are. It's compact, durable, and has an LED flashlight, making it a must-have for outdoor adventures. Just note the sunshine isn't included, but with this power bank, you're always charged up and ready. Number 4. Bigasuo Karaoke. Your concert, your stage. Sing your heart out anywhere, anytime. The Bigasuo Karaoke Machine is your personal stage, providing excellent sound quality and a fun-filled karaoke experience. Its wireless connectivity and rechargeable battery makes it perfect for spontaneous jamming sessions. Just remember, the adoring fans aren't included. Number 3. Republic of Durable Goods Portable Hammock. Swaying Slice of Heaven. Swing into relaxation. The Republic of Durable Goods Portable Hammock is your Cloud 9. Easy to set up, it offers the ultimate comfort whether you're by the beach, in your backyard, or in the wilderness. Remember, the serene ambiance isn't included, but with this hammock, you'll be creating your peaceful haven wherever you want. Number 2. East Hills Outdoor Jungle Explorer. Cloud 9 under the stars. Drift into dreamland under the open sky. The East Hills Outdoor Jungle Explorer Double Camping Hammock is your personal floating bed. Designed for comfort and safety, it ensures a restful night after a day of adventure. The starry sky and the fantastic night breeze aren't included, but with this hammock, you'll be sleeping in heavenly peace. Number 1. Vivo Home Electric Portable Arctic in a Box. Cold drinks at your command? The Vivo Home Electric Portable Compact Countertop Ice Maker is your personal Arctic. It churns out ice cubes quickly and efficiently, ensuring your favorite beverage stays chilled. With its transparent window and self-cleaning function, it's convenience at its coolest. Just remember, the drinks aren't included, but with this ice maker, you'll be the king or queen of cool refreshments. Which of these 20 summer gadgets could make your summer different? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Happy shopping on your next online spree!